ಅದೇ ನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. Yeah. So year n and year n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So you can observe year n we need to get from the business. Okay. You need to ask for the daily volumes like this. How many daily volumes? So based on the daily volumes, you need to divide from the like peak day volume and TPS. We need to calculate because for this is the by 3000 like by 12 nothing but peak day is a 12 hours or 8 hours we can consider. So you want TPS means what is the peak day value will be there by 3600 you can do, then you will get for the TPS. So this BAU baseline is fine, everyone.
Yes.
So then now we can see the future growth. You can observe future growth. How we'll get future growth means, see, you can observe this is the future growth. How we are calculated, you can observe. D7 means which one? This is the right 4,49,000 like sorry 44,92,800 is the what is that D7 into 3 by 100 means 3%. So means year to year their application will be growth will be we are considered as a, some 3%, like we are asked from the like business, they told as a year on year growth will be 3%. So what is the value will be there? We are like n plus 1 time, like 2024 will get from the 3% plus D7 load also. Assume, for example, this 10 is the our TPS assume. So in 2024, how we are can calculate means 10 into 3%, 3 by 100, right? 3% nothing but 3 by 100. Plus, you can observe how much you got 0.3. So n plus 1 nothing but already n also we know 10 plus 0.3 means how much? 10.3. So this is the n plus 1. Means year on year is growth is increasing. So what is the growth is there? N plus 1. Same thing you need to do for the n plus 2 also. How we are going to do means what is the 10.3 year on growth? Don't take from the n. We are what is the n plus 1? We can take from the n.3 like 10.3 into again how much percentage? 3% increasing.
3 by 100.
3 by 100. Then how much you got? 0.309. Like means 10.0309 you got from the n plus 2, right? This is the n plus 1, n plus 2. Then again, we have the n plus 3 also there. So 10 point, so not 0 here, 3. 0 we can remove. Yeah. So here you can observe 10.309 into again 3% cumulative. 3 by 100. So now you can observe how much you got? 0.309. Like total will be you got how much? 10.30927 you got. Okay. So means year on year we can observe also 0.3 is increasing. So 10.3 you can increase for that like every time. So every time is a 3%, 3%. Finally you got from the, this is the 30927 you got. So this you can observe n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So this is our exactly peak load. We can consider as a peak load. Like 2026 value we need to test. Future, this is the load we are getting. So that load we need to test. Got it, everyone? This is you can observe here also. What is the data here? Same data we are keeping from the peak load data, n+3 year on growth. So you need to prepare the workload model, or NFR means we can prepare the like this. Like we get from the baseline from the business. Once you can get that business, you need to see this application will be 3%, but every application 3% not sure. So that is why you need to ask for the client or business. So what is our application year on year growth? Maybe it's the 10%. Then we can do for the 10%. Every time 10, 10, 10, 10, you need to increase the load. Okay? It's fine, everyone? It's clear this?
Yes, yes.
So you can observe based on that only, this load only we are calculated this one, D7 into 3% plus D7 again. So we got for this is the load. Same here also, same formula. D3 into 3% into D8. Again, D8, so you can observe 104. So 104 into 3% plus this D9. Total is how much you got? 107. You can observe what is the data here there. So same thing you need to pick from the year. This is the E7. You can observe this is the E7 into 3% and E plus E7. Same way we did this. Finally, we got from this is the N+3. So we need to round figure we did like we got from the TPS 113.64. Like almost is a 1.35 above means it is a 114. So our peak load TPS is now 114. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very important concept. So I think okay. So everything is this is my real-time project. Okay.
This yes, this seat provided by the client.
Yes, this baseline will be provided the client. Like they provide only for this one only. Okay. Only they will provide for the daily volume or peak day volume they will provide. Based on this volume, you need to calculate from the peak day volume and TPS.
Okay.
Got it?
A transaction per second.
Yes, transaction per second. So in hourly, how many transactions happening? That is the calculate for the bank. You can observe.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah.
How can we can we calculate how many users according to that?
Yes. So based on TPS, based on TPS, we need to calculate from the users also. That is also part will be there. Now we find the TPS. Majorly, we need to find the TPS point of view only. We are got this value. Based on that, we are converted for the peak day value. And finally, we got the TPS. So finally, what TPS you got? 114.
114.
It's clear, right? Up to this, everyone. So very important concept. No one will explain actually for like this. If you enter anywhere, if you go for the any institutes also, they will not explain from this concept. Just yesterday what I told NFR, right? They told that and they will close.
Yeah.
This report we have to submit.
Yes,
this report we have to submit.
This report we need to submit. So NFR also you need to prepare the like this. This is you can observe baseline some NFR. This is some performance testing and this is the baseline. Baseline nothing but this is the business provided from the business team will be provide this up to this. Okay.
So, N+1, N+2, N+3.
We need to calculate this.
Mostly.
We need to calculate
only
this.
Up to 3.
Yes.
Up to 3.
We'll get this only. N. We need to calculate for the N+1, N+1, N+2, N+3. So finally N+3 is our peak load.
So like Kiran, it will be same for all the scenarios, 3% increment, or it's for only this one?
No, only for some X application. Maybe Y application will be the 10% as an increase also increment will be. See, for example, I will give for the one example. Facebook is
Yeah.
there. Okay.
Hmm.
So Facebook is a year-on increase for the 15% also.
Okay.
And we can go to the
No.
Instagram, Twitter is there. Now is a very trending, right? These two
Hmm.
compared to the
So
Facebook. Maybe that
yeah.
application year-on-year growth will be 20% also will be there.
So in this scenario, how will come to know like it should be 3%?
Yeah. That is also no, you are not decide. So as a performance
Yeah.
test engineer, you are not decide. You should be asked for the our business team, our client.
Okay.
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 So
Fine.
you need to ask from the these details, and after that, your job is what is the year-on-year growth percentage. So
Okay.
they will
They will
provide
tell
for the
according
10
to their
or
customers.
15 or based on that, you need to calculate from the year. N plus 1, N
Yeah.
plus 2, N plus 3.
Okay.
Then
And
fine,
they
right?
will tell us as per their customers. They will tell us like how it will be growth year by year.
Yes. Because see, Facebook is there. So the Facebook client or as a business, there will be no. Okay, is a year on a 10% or a 15. I am a
Yeah.
performance test engineer. I will decide. I will not decide because I don't know business. We should ask
Got it.
everything. We should ask. Okay,
Okay.
it's clear, right? Now
Yeah.
final will be we got from the 114 is our TPS. Now we can go to the next workload model. So workload model you can observe we can conduct for the different kind of test. Here is the first one is the baseline test and peak load test and spike test and stress and soak test. Everyone is clear or can I change for the background? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So baseline test we can conduct from the different kind of test. What are the test means? Baseline test, peak load test, spike, stress, and soak. So baseline, peak, spike, stress we can conduct for the 1 hour duration. It's a fixed for the everywhere. Anywhere you can go to the perform testing. So these 4 kind of test we can do for the 1 hour duration. But going to the soak test, we can conduct from the 8 hours, 12 hours, 18 to 24 hours. So they will do for the this kind of test. So now how we'll calculate this workload model means now we know the baseline. Who provide this? Business already provided. You can observe we got
Yeah.
104. So that is the business provided. And after that 114 is a peak load based on for the n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, we are got from the peak load is n plus 3. What is that? 114. Yes, right? So now spike test nothing but so just to we can increase the 3x load. What is that? This is the x load. We can consider as a peak load nothing but x. It is a x. Spike test nothing but 3x means x into 3 means 3 into 114. How much it will get? 342. Yes, right? So stress test means 6x. According to this into 6, you will get for the 684. And soak test nothing but again x load only. Is clear? This row, everyone?
Yes.
So now users. This is the important also virtual users. So how we'll get from this virtual user means based on for the this TPS we know. So we need to concentrate as some pacing is there. Pacing nothing but is a delay between the iteration. Iteration nothing but
One doubt, small doubt.
yes.
Soak X is we can calculate, right? 114 is came. Actually,
Yeah.
SLA we can give within 2 minutes. Is it
Yeah.
related to?
No. SLA will be different. Okay, that this is the TPS means 1 hour you can done the duration of the test. You need to 114 per transactions happen for the per TPS per second.
TPS different.
Per second 114 it is the transaction happen from the once test is completed.
Okay.
That is you need to achieve. That is your goal. Okay.
Understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Clear.
now we have the pacing. Pacing nothing but delay between the iteration. So first thing, what is the iteration? Iteration nothing but delay between the iteration. For example, this is the your entire business flow. Yes, right? Some launch, login, click on flight, find flight, select flight, payment, and sign up. So for here you can observe. So this entire up to sign up is completed. That is the one iteration. And after that again, what will happen? Again, launch is happen. Again, this is happen. Again, it is means it is a rotate from the like this cyclic. It will happen. So for here, iteration to iteration, we need to give for the some delay, like some 2 seconds or something we are waiting. Means after login, click on flight, payment, and sign up is completed. It will wait for the 2 seconds. After that, it will start for the latch. Again, this is the login and click on flight. This all is completed. Again, sign up, it will come. Again, 2 seconds, it is a waiting time. So delay between the iteration, we can call it as a pacing. It's clear? So now come here. So if you consider as a pacing 2, then what is the pacing 2 means? So we have the formula will be there. Okay, that will be, we can discuss from the, when we are come to the controller. Now don't think about it. Now pacing you can consider as a 2 second. 104 into TPS into 2 is your P users, virtual users. And here also 114 into 2, so 228. Here 342 into 2, 684. 684 into 2, 1368. 114 into 228. Got it? Okay, it's clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now API scope. API scope are some scenario, like how many scenarios we are testing. If it is a new or existing, we need to mention here. And we need to mention from the each and every API level is a, we are mentioned from the SLA is a 1 second only. For here, because this is the some API testing, so that is why it is a 1 second only. If it is a UI, nothing but like launch login, this kind of will be there. That is will be 2 second will be there everywhere. Okay. Now this is the important. Now you can observe baseline how much you got actually. Baseline for the business
104.
we got for the 104 TPS. So that 10 TPS we need distribute from the these 10 scenarios. Okay, I have 10 scenarios. 10 into means I will give for the each one is a 10, 10, 10. That is good.
No.
No, right? Because this is also we are not decide. This some APA 1, APA 2, APA 3 is there, right? This is also we are not decide. We need to ask for the like business. This particular API 1. What is the okay? What is the TPS? Okay. Otherwise, if you don't know TPS, we need to get from the like this. You can observe here. I think it's clear or not. I don't know. So for here, you can observe some retrieve card transactions. Here, how many transactions showing? 30025. 30025.
30,025.
So means is equal to 30025.
25.
This is the like peak day value. So you need to convert from the by 3600, then you will get from the TPS. How much TPS you got? 8.34.
8.34.
So means this is the TPS. Maybe they will provide from the like this, like using for the some Grafana tool will be there. If you go to the Grafana, so we can see the like production data. So like this, you can see this. Like this some one of the transaction, it is this many transactions happen, this many. We need to see this. Based on this, you need to convert from the TPS like this. Then you can observe this is the, that is fine. Then next coming to the next one. Next one how much? 15,775 divided by 3,600. How much you got? 4. Means see, you can observe like API to API and scenario to scenario is the TPS is different or not?
Yeah.
So means this is also we should ask from the our business, like each API level also, what is the transactions. Otherwise, they have the like this Grafana or production data means you can take this production data based on that you can convert like this. I think everyone is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, then good. Okay. So now we can jump to the value workload model. So now you can observe here, this is the user wise. So this is the 10 scenarios we have. So this is the baseline TPS we are already find from the business, and each API level also what is the there based on for the their load we are given everything. Okay. Now this is the pacing, like already I told, right? Some delay we are giving for the 2. So V users means TPS into V, like pacing is equal V users you will get 12 into 2, 24, 10 into 2. So V users you got from the this. It's clear up to this?
Okay, yes.
So this is the what baseline. So means you need to test the for the number of users. How many users means 208 users. Okay. So now peak load.
Yeah.
So peak load, how we got, right? You can observe again what I did from the total TPS as a transactions. Same way, this TPS. So what is the TPS is there? I convert as a 3% cumulative growth. C3 means 12 into 3% into again 12. So how much I got? 12.36. So same way I given for the 3% this. Okay. So based on that, what I did, so some adjusted TPS because we are not give from the point wise. So this is the 12.3 means I adjusted as a 30. This is the 10 means 11, 8 means 9. So 6 means 7, 8. So based on this, I given for the round figure. And finally, as per our expectation, how much we need to get? 114. Yes, right. You can observe NFR also. You can go here. How much you got?
114.
So same thing you got from here also. Again, same formula. If you want users means like TPS into users 26 into 2, 22 into 2, 16 into 2, 28 into 2, 8. Okay. See, now you got from the users. Again, spike test. Spike test nothing but see, actually into 3 I told, right? TPS is into 3. So this x is the peak into 3 means 13 into 3 how much? 39. 11 into 3
39,
33.
yes.
9 into 3 27. So 4 into 3 12. Again users means into pacing. TPS into pacing you will get from the this. Again stress test nothing but into 6x. So what is the x? X is a 13. 13 into 6 78. So each also 4 into 6 24. Again you want from the users means like TPS into pacing you will get from the users. Same, so means it's a same as a base peak load only because this is the X load, this is the X load. So what is the difference from this means only for this is the we can conduct from the 1 hour duration, but this we can conduct from the long duration. Why we are doing for the long duration? Nothing but like in the long duration time, how the application ever behavior going. So if it is application is production means long hours it will execute, right? Otherwise, only up to 3 after that they will stop application. Yes or no? See, Facebook application will be there. After 12 they will stop.
No.
No, right? Means it will execute from the every day it will be 24 hours again execute running from the live. Same way we need to test from the like 1 hour, like 1 day duration. At that time application availability will be there. Application is crashing or there is any memory leakage happening. And so how the application is behavior is going from the 1 day duration we need to observe. That is the soap test.
Okay. Okay.
So baseline nothing but just 2023 load. Okay, this is the load. Peak load nothing but 2026 load. Spike test 3x load we are doing. Why we are doing for the 3x load means if it is their application, maybe more than number of users coming also, their application, how the application behavior is going. Stress also we are doing. Stress nothing but where is the breaking point of the application. We are increasing from the up to 6x load. In the 6x load, their application is crossing or not. Maybe you are identified that 6x load is your application will be crossing. Then they will be know that, okay, our application up to 6x is fine. More than that means it is not. So we need to increase from the some configuration details. So it's clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So now production data also I showed. Okay, that's fine. And now we'll come to the test scenarios. So we have the two scenarios, just I will show. Spike test nothing but 3x load. So directly we are not giving from the 3x load. First you need to give for the 1x load. You can observe 1x load, step 1, 12 minutes you can execute. 1x load nothing but, for example, 10 users you are executing. So 10 users will be execute from the this 12 minutes duration. And after that, you are increasing the 3x load. Like 3x means how many users will come? 30, right? So 30
30.
users will be these
Same
12
time.
minutes will be executed. Again, we are decrease the load again 1x load. 1x means again 10 users. Again
10
3.
user.
And again means we can test from the abnormal condition. If it is application is like 1x load to time and 3x load time, how the application is behavior is going. See real time also how it is happening. See 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock will be 1x load it will get from the some Facebook application, assume. But we can observe after like 8 to 9 or 10, you are observe that load will be high. Again, midnight, again down, again increase. So realistic how the application behavior is going, based on that we are doing for that kind of testing. It's clear this?
Yes. Yes. Same time response.
Yes. Yeah. So real time, everything we are performing as a real time, how the application is behavior is going. Same way we need to doing for the test. Okay. So now stress test. See each test we are running from the 10 minutes. 1x load, 1x nothing but some 10 users. Again 2x load, and means 20 users. Means you are increasing the load step by step. Finally, you are like 6x load. Okay. Finally, you are giving for the 6x load. So in the 6x load time, how the application behavior is going. Got it? See, means you can assume 10 o'clock, some 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 and 5 and night 10. Maybe user count will be more. So at that time, application will be, it is our breaking point is, this is the breaking point we need to provide for the team. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So this is the data, like we have the scenarios, this API
Hello,
scenarios.
Kiran.
Yes.
Kiran.
Yeah.
Some doubt. But suppose we can access the other countries also. The timings will be different.
Yes. So you are doing for the, see, for example, maximum projects we are doing for the out of projects only, like USA client or Singapore or UK, okay, Australia, we are doing. So their time only we are doing the test, because servers, everything is a configure result for there in the Singapore only or Australia only, US only. We are testing from here only, but we are using for their servers only.
Okay.
Okay.
So not too related to Indian or different will be there.
Yes.
If the project
It is a project belongs to anywhere, no problem. If it is India means you will be using the some servers. You are pushing the load from the India. Maybe you are pushing the load from the other country. So the servers will be there in that location.
users will be in the same country.
Yes. See, for example, some banking is there that is in some USA. okay, some some United Trust Bank, something is there. So already their bank means they have the transactions, everything is doing there only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, that is way. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
so this is the way we can do for the our prepare the test plan or workload model. Everything will be we are included from the here only. We can prepare like this. So timelines, like when we are starting the execution, when we are executing ending. Okay, and we have the architecture will be there. We need to provide from the architecture details, and we need to like server details. We have the any how many app servers, how many DB servers, how many web servers will be there, and each server configuration details also. So once you can prepare this all document, so to approve point of view, you need to send to the project manager. Then he will see for the all these steps. Like, okay, NFR this. Okay, this is the baseline. Okay. And this is the okay peak. That's fine. So he will check from the each and every okay like sheet, and okay, everything is fine. He will agree. Maybe he observed that TPS is we are given some the mismatch means if you are identified, he will be reply to the mail. So please check for the some details somewhere it will be wrong. So you need to check that and you can resolve. Again, you can send from the approval point of view. Once he will approve, then you can start your performance testing. It's clear?
Yes.
So today I'm stopping up to this. Okay, you can go through the our videos and go through the and our material, and you can read it. And we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. So I think anyone have any doubts regarding this?
One thing, Kiran, we have to provide all these requirements by ourselves.
Yes, yes. You need to provide as a perform test engineer, right? You need to provide these all things.
All things. Okay.
Okay. But company to company also some variations will be there. Okay, some companies will be directly doing for the testing. So they want only for the user count means directly as the client provide for the user count. Then no need to prepare for this TPS, these all things. Directly you have users, directly you can do for the test. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can go to close.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for joining everyone, and we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Tomorrow onwards will be can start our scripting, and please ready everyone installation. And Shiva, you have any doubts, right? I shared in video. Otherwise, you can contact in our team also. They will help you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye everyone.
Thank you.